Hello and welcome to today's episode of the NumPy array. Today I will show you how to create the NumPy array, the one-dimensional NumPy array and the two-dimensional NumPy array. So to do that, first of all, let's import the NumPy package. Import NumPy as MP. So now to create a one-dimensional NumPy array, let's call it array1, our first array. So we call it MP dot array. So we make use of the mp dot array function to create a numpy array. So a square bracket 10, 20, 30, 40. So array 1, shift enter. So we successfully created a one-dimensional array of what, 4 elements. So now let's check the dimension. You are seeing is one dimensional. So let's check the shape. You are seeing is a four, it has 4 elements. So let's create another let's create array 2. So we use the mp dot array function, the square brackets of, let's say, character elements, boy, girl, boy, array 2, shift enter. So we've created another array 2, that's 3 elements, but is an array containing strings. You can check the dimension. Array 2 dot n dimensional, this is 1. Array 2 dot shape, so that's 3 elements. So this is the way to create a one-dimensional array. So let me show you how to create a two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional. So to create a two-dimensional array, let's create array 3. We use the mp dot array function. So now we use the the square bracket. So let's type 10, 11, 12, then press comma again, another square bracket, 13, 14, 15. Let's create another one, another square bracket, 12, 15, 16. Array 3. You can see and check the dimension of array 3. That is 2-dimensional. Let's check the shape, the 3 by 3. So a one-dimensional array is known as vector, while a two-dimensional array are known as what, matrix. So let me show you the way creating array using a range function. So once we create another array using the range function, to do that, let's call it array 4 is equals to mp dot array. It's very compulsory to create an array is mp dot array. So now I want to create another using the range. So you type mp dot range, the first element of the array, then 10. So it's going to create a array element. It's going to create an array object starting from 0 to 9. 10 is not inclusive. 0 is inclusive, while 10 is not inclusive. Let me create another one. Range 5 mp dot array mp dot range 0, 10, 2. Guess what? I'm going to create them in 2 steps. That be 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is the way of using the range function to create a one-dimensional array. So let's use the range function to also create a two-dimensional array. So let's call it array 6. So we'll say mp 0 to 100, that's 100 element. I'll reshape it to a 25 by 4 matrix. So I'm going to array 6. You can see this is 25 by 4 matrix. You can check the array. I think it's array 4 shape. Yes, no, okay, it's array 5. Array 6. So it's a 25 by 4 matrix. So let's see other special array. Special array. First one we're talking about is the 0. So this 0, we can create an array with all elements 0. To do that, let's call it 0 to be mp dot 0. So how many 0 do we want? We have 0 of 5 elements. Call it you can call the name out 0, then enter. Not triple 0, I think it's zeros. So it has created an array, a numpy array with 5 zeros. So let's create another one. 01 is equals to mp dot array. I want to create a two-dimensional 0. Let's call it 20 zeros. Then we can reshape it to 4 by 5, 4 rows, 5 column, 01. Sorry, zeros. You can see that. So this is the way for creating a two-dimensional 0. So let's see another one special kind of array 1. So let's call it 1 is equals to mp dot 1 with 5 elements. 1 with 5 elements. So to create a numpy array with ones, so let's create a two-dimensional 1 mp dot ones. Let's create 10, then we can reshape it to 5 by 2. You can see that. So let's another special function is the empty. Let me quickly create that. Empty is equals to mp dot empty. I want to contain 15 elements. Empty. You can see that it's showing 0 but it is empty. So another special array is the identity matrix. So let's create the identity matrix. To create the identity matrix, a 4 by 4 identity matrix, let's call it A. Just type mp dot eyes. Open the, want to create a 3 by 3 identity matrix. You can see. Let's change this to 4. A 4 by 4 identity matrix. Let's change this to 5. A 5 by 5 identity matrix. So in this tutorial, I showed you how to create a numpy array, a one-dimensional numpy array, two-dimensional numpy array, and other special types of array. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next class.